The 2024 NCBA Golf Series was officially launched Thursday at the Royal Nairobi Golf Club, marking the beginning of an exciting journey for golf enthusiasts across East Africa. The 2024 NCBA Golf Series will span across golf clubs not only in Kenya but also in Uganda, Tanzania and Rwanda.
This series keeps getting bigger. So this year we are doing 17 tournaments of the series. Within that, we have the Junior Golf Series. Within that, we have the Kenya Amateur Golf Competition that we also sponsor. So all in all, we'll have 130 events that we shall be sponsoring within this series, spending 60 million shillings towards this series for 2024, capturing the 4 East African countries. So we'll be in Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania and Rwanda. And each of the winners obviously participating in a grand finale, which will be at the end of the year.
NCBA started as a silver sponsor, went on to becoming a platinum sponsor, and has now decided to become the title sponsor. And what it does for us as Junior Golf Foundation, it gives us more resources to be able to get golf in the mashinani.
The best thing that has come across in today's meeting, over and above all the sponsorship that NCBA has given to the Junior Golf Foundation and the KGC events that are currently running on, is the fact that we requested that if they can support the professional golfers and have them being ranked in the world.
Alphonse Keegan and Evelyn Churcher, who emerged as winners of the 42 kilometers individual men and women categories in the